Hello friends, welcome to Miraya Mind Academy. I am Surendra Mohan, your Vedic Maths teacher. In this video we are going to learn how to find square of a number near to base 100 or 1000 in just 3 seconds. So we will try Vedic Maths tricks. So let's take first example as 96. We need to find out the square of 96. It's a very fast trick. What you need to do, let's learn. So you will subtract 100 because the base in this case is 100. So we will subtract 100 from 96, that is we get minus 4, and then we will subtract minus 4 from 96 itself, so we get 92. So how to get the answer? Let's look at it step by step. So first we will draw a vertical line over here. So in the first case we will write the square of 4, so that is 16, and the second case we will write 92. So here comes the answer, 9216. So it's a very fast method, you can do it in single step. So let's take one more example so that you can learn it very fast. Let's take 93 as the example. So now we'll do it step by step. So first what we have to do, we have to minus 100. So we'll do it without writing. So 93 minus 100 is 93 minus 100. So answer, let's say we write over here. So 93 minus 100 is minus 7. So we'll take the square of this, that is 49. We will write 49 over here, and then we will minus 7 from the 93. So 93 minus 7 is 86. So here's the answer. So it's a very fast trick, and you within a single step you can get the answer. You just need to remember the base. So in this case also base is 100. So let's take one more example with base 100. Let's take an example more than 100. So let's take 103. How to find out the square of 103? So we'll draw a vertical line. Now how far is this number from 100? Is plus 3. So we will write, we'll square the number 3. So 3 is 9, because 100 base have 2 zeros in it. So we'll add 1 0 to it, and then we will add 3 to it, because in this case it is more than 100. 3. So 103 plus 3 is 106. So here's the answer, 10609. So it's a very fast, very easy method. You can easily do it. So let's take few examples with base 1000. So now we are taking an example with base 1000. So let's take first example as 998. How to find the square of this number? Now again we'll draw a vertical line. Now how far is this number from 1000? Minus 2. So 998 minus 1000 is minus 2. So minus 2, square of minus 2 is 4. So because the 1000 base has 3 zeros in it, so we'll add 2 more zeros to it. Now we will subtract minus 2 from 998. So we will minus 2 from this. So 996 what we get. So 996004. Here's the answer. It's a very fast trick, and you can easily practice it, and you can do these calculations without using even any pen or paper. You can do it mentally also. So let's take one more example with a number more than 1000. So let's take 1007. Again, as this number is 7 more than 1000, so we'll draw a vertical line. So its difference between 1007 is 1000, 1000 is 7. So we will write square of 7. So square of 7 is 49. Because base has 3 zeros, so we'll add 1 0 to it. So now we have 3 digits as the base has zeros. So for the left part 1007, we will add 7 to it, because this is 7 number away from the base 1000. So we will add 7. So 1014. So answer is 1014049. Here's the answer. So it's very fast trick. Please practice at home and master this trick. Thank you.